Hi there, my name is Andre from London Electrician. I'm down here with Anessa Paul in Dagenham RM96YG, and on this video presentation I will show you how to disconnect this immersion heater with that expansion tank on, and I'll show you step by step how the replacement takes place. Thank you. Hi there again, it's Andre from London Electrician 24/7, and this video presentation I'll show you what we take off this morning. So this is a direct cylinder at the mains from Stifflow hot water heating system, and we take this down this morning and we will install it back on Monday morning. So on Monday morning we will show you more about this installation. I'm not able to film myself on this video presentation on the beginning because we've got some restrictions here, so I'm allowed to video just inside the property. So we will show you Monday how this work take place. Thank you so much. Hi there, it's Andre from London Electrician. I have here 3 cylinders from Stifflow, Megafloor and Joule, and then I got some storage heater which I need to disposal. And on the garage I've got some Gledhill cylinders which I need to disposal, and some storage heaters as well. If you need any Pulsa coil second-hand parts, please advise me. I have in stock a lot of cylinders from Pulsa coil. One of that here, Gledhill Pulsa coil BP, still have the heating elements, and a couple of parts around. Storage heaters as well, second hand. I got one with 4 elements for living room, and another one with 2 heating elements in good conditions. Parts from Gledhill, all around, brand new cylinders, and then back over there some brand new Pulsa coil from 150 liters to 210, 180 at the moment. This is a second-hand stock which I keep to repair this Pulsa coil A-class. I still have more on the back of the container, so please don't hesitate to contact me on 020-3651-9615. For more information, call me 24 hours.
Thank you.